Hey y'all, my name is Amanda Dowdy. I am a 6-year AVP Pro Beach Volleyball player, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited to share this recipe from the Beaming Baker with you. It's super simple to make. It's only 3 ingredients and it checks all the boxes. So whether you are vegan, paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free, or you're trying to watch your sugar, this is a perfect go-to snack for you. We can put it in our fridge or on your countertop for up for a month, or in your freezer in an airtight container for up to 3 months. So we're gonna go ahead and scoop the almond butter into the food processor and then add the pitted dates as well. So we're gonna start blending the ingredients by pulsing. This helps break them up and gets them more smooth for the actual blending part. And if your mixture is really chunky and sticky, I like to add just a little bit of MCT oil. It helps blend it better, makes it a little more smooth. And you also get all the benefits of the MCT oil. It just helps with overall gut health and your energy metabolism. Okay, so now once you got it blended to a smooth mixture, we're gonna add in some unsalted roasted almonds. There is salt that's optional, totally up to you. I add about a pinch. And then you can go into blending it. And you wanna make sure the almonds are like pulverized really good, so chop down into very small pieces. This process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Now to the fun part. We're gonna take a cookie scoop here and scoop out some of the mixture to a little ball. We're gonna roll it, and that is done. And it's important to know that you can make these energy bites your own. So if you want some extra flavor on your bite, you can add any topping that you want. Right here I have some dried cranberries that we can put on them. I also have some cacao nibs that we can get on there. So after you're done rolling out your bites, I would put them in the fridge for up to like 20 to 30 minutes and let them harden a little bit, and then they are good to go. And now it's time to enjoy your no-bake energy bite.